Hello guys, today in this video we will talk about lovesilver.com website. You should purchase any bracelet, any necklace, any name necklace on this platform or not, and what are the precautions you should take while using this platform products. So in this video we will cover lots of information and we will also talk about several red flags. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, I want to tell you this brand trust score is very amazing. You can see 100 out of 100, and you can see over here this brand is approx like 17 years from now, and they have like good reputation in the market. They have like very good amaze in the, you can say, like field of this kind of bracelets and all. You can see they have like good followers on Instagram, they have like good followers on Facebook, and they have provided phone number, email ID, each and everything is looking very amazing. But there is a very big issue, that is like reviews. When you checking reviews on Trustpilot, they have like 112 reviews on Trustpilot, out of which you can see 49% is negative reviews, and all negative reviews are complaining about return and refund. So all reviews are able, you can say, like complaining like return and refund and customer support problem. So this is the only problem. So what is the main issue? The main issue is like when they purchase product, if you are not satisfying after buying the product, you need to make a very, you can say, like you need to make lots of efforts for returning a product. You need to make lots of efforts for getting your money back. So this is the only problem. But definitely you will get your product, definitely, if you not like the product, because in some cases when we checking images on internet, when we checking products on websites, we will see like product is looking so cute and all, but when we get our order, we did not like the product and we are not, you can say, we are try to getting our money back. So these kind of issues is listed on Trustpilot, so you should read all the reviews on Trustpilot. But if we talk about this brand is legit or it's a scam, yes, this brand is 100% legit brand. You can make a purchase, but before making any kind of purchase, you can contact with their customer support team related to return and refund. You should ask all the reviews with their customer support team, and by using this method you can get your all the answers, and you can, you know very well, you can get your all the answers why these all negative reviews are coming. Okay, so this is the information, my dear friends. So this brand is 100% legit. You can make a purchase. Okay, so if you have any experience, please share your thoughts in our comment box. Your comments will helpful for lots of people also. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, my dear friends. Bye bye.